This is Blessing Zulu reporting live from the United Nations General Assembly, and I'll be giving you updates of what is happening here today. A lot of exciting things that are happening. But first, I want to report that President Robert Mugabe has just left for the airport going back to Zimbabwe. Of course, we'll give you more on that. And also, we did manage to speak to a member of his delegation, the Health Minister, Dr. David Parrenyatwa, who confirmed that he has actually appealed to the Global Fund and also to the Clinton Foundation to assist Zimbabwe with ARVs, especially for children. He was saying that 40% of Zimbabwe's children do not have access to drugs. And there will also be the raising of the Palestinian flag here in the United Nations for the very first time. This has actually caused a controversy because Israel, the United States, and 6 other countries last month tried to vote against the raising of the Palestinian flag here, but of course it's going ahead today. There are also meetings to do with humanitarian assistance that are being held by OCHA, and later on there's also going to be a meeting to do with women and peace. Thank you.